My master's degree at Queen Mary has taught me to engage critically with knowledge in a global perspective. My international relations course has taught me to incorporate a critical attitude to the reports in which I produce. The reports are a way for me to reflect on the new information that I've learned. Studying at Queen Mary has exposed me to a unique global environment. I am able to engage on current affairs with fellow classmates and professionals from all over the world. Studying in a global community has allowed me to enrich my respect of other people's opinions. It has also broken down preconceived cultural notions.
Another graduate attribute that my course has helped me gain is a global perspective into medicine. By incorporating learning about global health into the course, I have learned not only about different diseases and illnesses found outside of the UK, but also about different healthcare systems and the importance of access to healthcare around the world.
The first thing you realize when you arrive at Queen Mary is the diversity of cultural and professional backgrounds of all students. You work with students from all other countries, from all around the world, which gives you an exciting and great opportunity to get the experience, to learn new things, to acquire new knowledge.
Geography branches the gaps between politicians and scientists. Geography students have an overall understanding of the environment in which we live in, and they also understand the future concerns of the government and other stakeholders. Because of this, geographers should not be underestimated.